Everything started to go wrong on the night of my play. The one thing women can never forgive is failure. Well, I burnt the text, every word of it. I destroyed it down to the last comma. And now I'm more unhappy than you can believe. Because I can feel you moving away from me, and it's like I've woken up and suddenly the lake is gone. There's a drought. There's no water in the world. You said just now you're too stupid to understand me. But honestly, what is there to even understand? My play was a flop. You don't think I'm talented. As far as you're concerned, you agree with the others. I'm one writer among 1,000. And I'm ordinary. Oh, God, this thing in my brain. It's like a nail, this rusty nail just killing me. Damn it! It's my own stupid vanity sucking my blood, sucking it like a snake. Oh. And hallelujah, here's the real writer, eh? Got the walk, got the book, Hamlet to a T. Words, words, words. This burst of sunshine has not even reached you yet. You're already smiling, aren't you? Your eyes have melted in the heat. Aren't you? Please, I won't just get in your way then, shall I?